What is up, Lemonation? A Lemon here, and today I'm playing this little supercar showdown. I think it's called. I don't know, something like that. It's this racing game. So right now, I think I'm the blue car. I'm just gonna. Ooh! I haven't played this before. I just created an account. It's running kind of slow. It's not the fastest running game I've ever played. Alright. Oh, yeah, I'm staying on the track. I told the vegetable that I was cool. Oh, 360! No, I know I'm going the wrong way. No! Alright, I'm on my final lap. Oh, I'm gonna do a really cheap move. And I'm gonna stay over here to the finish line. And when he's about to come back to the finish line, I'm just gonna hip check him into the wall and kill him. Oh. Okay, so you can't go behind the... Okay, that's not allowed, I guess. Geez, all these skid marks are driving me crazy. Alright. I blew up! Oh my god! So nice. Alright. Let's go. No. He's about to finish. Yeah, I lost. He lapped me? That's sad. He lapped me? That wasn't very nice of him. It's harder than it looks to control. Like, you would think they would make it easier. I came in second place out of second place. Woo! Alright, well, can I change my car? Oh, what's the store do? I have $3,000. Ooh, kilo, that's a lot of money. A lot of money in real life. Maybe not for in the game, but on here it is. That'd be cool if you could, like, upgrade your car. Alright. Spin to win, what's that? Assuming you have to spin something to win it. Spin to win. Alright, I'll spend $5,000 on it. Spin it to win it! Alright, let's see. Ring around the baby. Okay. What did I get? Oh, I got a custom turbo, custom lights. What else did I get? $250. Custom sirens. Oh, this is sick. I'm getting so much free stuff. More bonus cash. New custom lights. Oh my god, I'm doing so much. I'll claim my prizes. That's awesome. No, I only have $8,000 left. So, now that I did that, how do I... Okay. How do I equip that? Oh, the garage. Ooh, it's gonna be cool. Ew. Okay, that's a nice car. I would love to have that car in real life, but... That's $75,000? What? Oh, that's crazy, though. Wow, okay. Custom sirens. Alright, here we go. I can't have custom tires. Oh, you can get so many different varieties of it. Oh, that red one looks cool. Alright, well, let's go ahead and do another round around the track. Hopefully beat someone out there. I don't think this is an online game. Oh, it can be. Alright, well, game guide. Okay. Alright, let's go. But you guys can never guess what my name is. It's a elimination. I better hip check you off the road. Oh man. I can't even read the front guy's name. Oh, I went the wrong way again. Oh man. Oh no, I blew up. Oh, that's not cool. Dang it, I went the wrong way again. Oh, you lapped me? How is that even possible? Dude, that's not cool, man. Controlling this is too hard. It takes some skill. I can't believe I blew up again. It's fun. Sort of. Great, there he is, lapping me again. Alright, you know what? I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, I'm horrible at these racing games. Hopefully you guys can do better at me. This is at miniclip.com, so head on there and look up Supercar Showdown. Alright, see how good you can do. You can play as a guest or you can log in or create an account. Man, came in third. At least they're still gonna let me play by myself. Oh, kill him! Literally, kill him. Woo! Third place. Out of third place. Oh, I increased my car. Alright, let's go to the store. How do I only have $2,000? What? That's messed up, dude. Continue. Okay, now I'm getting some of those mini wads. Alright, now I got 10 grand. Alright, let's see. Let's see if I can just... Alright, let's see if I can upgrade that. Ooh, that preview looks sick. Okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna go one more round around the track. And then, yeah. Check your career progress here. I'm gonna try a multiplayer match. It's gonna be pretty cool. I haven't done that yet. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick race. Loading drivers, please, right here. Alright. No! Oh my god, my car is going so slow. Alright, I'm gonna have to end the video here. This is gonna be elimination out. Subscribe if you haven't already.